everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tania. Please take a moment to subscribe and press the bell icon beside it to get notified whenever I upload a video. I wish you all a very happy Onam. Having said that, let's just jump into the video. I've already cleaned my face and I'm moisturizing it with the Pond's moisturizer. And then I'm starting with my brows. At first I am combing my brow hair with a spoolie brush, and then I am going to apply the pomade from PSC. I am using the dark brown shade from the brow pomade. If you want to see a detailed video on how to do your brows, keeping it as natural as possible, please check the link above. After filling in my brows, now I will clean the border of my brows with a concealer. This will make the shape of my brows more prominent. If possible, choose a concealer shade that is 2 to 3 shades lighter than your original skin tone for this purpose. I will use the same concealer on all over my eyelid as well. This will serve as an eyeshadow primer. After blending the concealer properly, now I am going to set it with some loose powder so that it does not crease. For today's eye makeup, I want very sharp, beautiful edges, and to achieve that I am using sticky tape. If you also have two different eye shapes just like me, try this trick. This will work wonders. I'm going to try a new eyeshadow palette today, that is the Daydream palette from Glitter Galaxy. These are some beautiful colors. At first I'm taking this dark brown shade and I'm just packing my crease line with this color. I will continue doing so until and unless I am happy with the pigmentation. I am applying it in circular motions so that there are no harsh lines. Now I am taking the black eyeshadow from the same palette and I am applying it above the dark brown shade to make it more darker. This will intensify my crease further. I am blending both the colors properly so that there are no harsh lines. Now I am taking this light brown shade and blending the edges properly so that there are no harsh lines and everything seems to be seamless. And this way I can achieve the ombre effect, that is from dark to light. Now with the help of my finger I am applying this shimmery bronze color all over my eyelid, and I will blend it very nicely with my finger itself. Now with the help of the brush I am just blending the edges. Now to highlight my brow bone and inner corner, I am applying a highlighter. This highlighter is from Makeup Revolution palette. For today's look, I want a very dark, intense and elongated winged eyeliner. So to achieve it, I am using the In Color Gel eyeliner. And the brush I am using is a 00 size brush, easily available in any stationery shop. This eyeliner is smudge proof and is also waterproof. I will quickly finish off the other eye and come back. For my face, I am using the MAC Strobe Cream because for any festival look, we want a very healthy and beautiful glow. And to achieve that, I am applying this strobe cream. Now for primer, I am using this silicone based primer from Sugar Cosmetics. This will blur all the pores and fine lines, and this will create a very soft velvety canvas for my foundation, which is coming up next. After applying the primer, I will just blend it with my fingers and spread it on all over my face. Now to color correct the uneven skin tone, I am using an orange color corrector from Kryolan. With the help of this color corrector, I am going to hide all the dark circles, acne marks or any hyperpigmentation on my face. If you don't have any uneven skin tone issues, then you can skip this step. If you apply your foundation directly over your hyperpigmentation or dark circles, they might appear ashy. So make sure you always color correct before applying your foundation. I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend it so that there are no excess products left. For foundation, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I am in the shade 230. This foundation gives a medium to buildable coverage and does not appear very heavy. So for any occasions, you can use this foundation instead of a high-end foundation. This is very pocket friendly. I have applied another layer of foundation on areas where I need little bit more coverage. To highlight the high planes of my face, I am using the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. And again I am blending the concealer with the same damp beauty blender. Now to set my base, I am using a translucent powder from Sugar Cosmetics. I am applying the powder on all over my face with the help of the applicator first. This applicator is provided with the packaging itself. And then I am using the same damp beauty blender over it so that the excess product get absorbed. Doing this makes your base long lasting and flawless. Now to lock and seal everything, I am going to apply some setting spray and let it dry. Now I will complete my eye makeup, and for that I am using some extra loose powder underneath my eyes so that I can dust off any fallout from the eyeshadows. I am taking the same dark brown shade and smoking my lower lash line. Now I am taking the same light brown shade and smoking my lower lash line further. Now I am taking a gel kajal from Faces Canada and applying it on my lower lash line. This kajal comes with a smudger itself, and I'm using this smudger to smudge my kajal. This kajal is just love. I'm obsessed with this kajal now. Now with the help of a small definer brush, I'm using the same bronze shade in the inner corner of my eyes. Now I will quickly curl my lashes and apply mascara on my lower and upper lashes. I'm done with my eye makeup, so I am dusting off the excess powder that I have applied. Now I am applying false lashes off camera, and here is the completed eye look. Now I will quickly finish off my face. At first I am contouring my face with MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation in the shade NC42. I am contouring the usual contour areas. If you want to see a detailed video on contouring and highlighting your face, please click the I button above. Contouring gives dimension to your face, so never ever skip this step. To contour your face, always use a shade that is 2 to 3 shades darker than your original skin. Now to bring forward the high planes of my face, I am using the MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation in the shade NC35. This is going to highlight my face further. Now I am going to apply some blush, and for that I am using the iMagic blush palette. Applying blush immediately lifts your face and makes it very healthy and lively. For highlighting I am using this copper shade from the Makeup Revolution highlighting palette. This shade gives a very beautiful glow to your skin and looks very natural. Applying blush and highlighter brings life to your face. Now to lock and seal for the final time, I am using the same setting spray. For lipstick I am using this dark brown shade from NYBay. I will list all the products I am using in the description box below. So here is the completed makeup look. Here is the completed makeup look. I have paired it with a white sari, but as usual I forgot to put the bindi. So off camera I have put the bindi, and here is the final look. I hope. Please don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family if you like it. I will see you soon with a brand new video on Raksha Bandhan makeup look very soon. Till then, bye bye.